Architecture in ancient India. Now we will study this architecture in ancient India. Okay. So theory part is given. You can study these theory parts, and we will study through the option question answer. So here, first questions is the associates of Khajuraho temple architecture were Chandela. Okay. Khajuraho temple proves the excellence of Chandela architecture. These temples are located in Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. They are built between 10th to 12th century. Kandariya Mahadev temple is the best among these temples. The temple of Kandariya Mahadev at Khajuraho was built by Chandela. Okay, UPCS 1991 they asked this. Which dynasty gave India its famous temple of Khajuraho? It is Chandelas. The rulers of Chandela built what? Khajuraho. The temple of Khajuraho are related to Hindu and Jain. Khajuraho is a group of Hindu and Jain temples in Madhya Pradesh. Most of these were built between 10th to 12th centuries AD by Chandela dynasty. According to historical records, there were 85 temples built at the site of Khajuraho. The temples of Khajuraho were built by rulers of which of the following dynasty? It is Chandela. Matangeshwar temple at Khajuraho is dedicated to Shiva. Matangeshwar temple of Khajuraho is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple was built during King Tangaj reign. These temples were constructed in Nagara architecture. Okay. Which of the following temples is not located at Khajuraho? Kandariya at Khajuraho, Chausa Yogini at Khajuraho. This UPSC asked this Chausa Yogini. And Chitragupt, Khajuraho, but Dasavatar in UP Lalitpur. Okay. Dasavatar temple located in Devgarh, Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Built during Gupta period. Okay. In Lalitpur, less density in UP. So, with reference to Chausa Yogini, this questions asked UP Chausa Yogini temple situated near Morena. Consider the following statements. It is a circular temple built during the reign of Kachapagata dynasty. It is the only circular temple built in India. Here stream words is given, so it's mostly we should doubt. Always is correct, incorrect mostly. So 2 is incorrect. Cut. So 1 and 4 is correct mostly. So it was meant to promote the Vaishnav cult in the region. Its design has given rise to popular belief that it was specific and the Indian Parliament. So through the elimination we can reach the answer C. Okay. The Chausa Yogini temple is in Morena district, MP. According to an inscription dated to 1323 C, the temple was built by the Kachapagata King Devapal. Okay. So the uniqueness of this Yogini temple is its circular shape that is popularly believed to have inspired the design of the Indian Parliament. The circular shape is likely to have represented a Sri Yantra in which the Yoginis reside with the Supreme Yogini or Maha Shakti residing in the center, represented by the circular center main shrine. It is not the only circular temple built in India. Okay, there are others also. Match list first with second. Ustupa means Sachi. Okay. Painting and the Dasavatar temple is Devgala. So reach A is 2. Where is given B? Painting in Mathura. Headless statue was found at C. No, headless statue was found at telling you. Yes, it is found in Mathura. Okay. आपका निष्का. So this done then painting. Bag painting. Okay. So B will be the answer. Ustupa Sachi, painting Bag MP, headless statue Kaniska found in Mathura. And the Savadar temple in Devgarh, UP Lalitpur. Okay. Which are the following not a World Heritage Site? It is Mandu Fort. This is the Khajuraho Heritage Site, Bhimbetka Heritage, and Sachu Heritage, UNESCO Heritage. Khajuraho Temple, Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, and Sach Stupa are listed among the UNESCO World Heritage Site in India. Mandu Fort is not listed. Okay. Which are the following statements about temple architecture are true? Which one is true? Freestanding mortar stand mortar and stone temples are supposed to have originated in Gupta period. Okay, so it can be correct. Ladkhan, which is one of the earliest temples, belong to Chalukya Badami, can be in Khajuraho temples. All the compartments of the temples are connected internally and externally. Can be Kailash temple at Kanchi is earliest freestanding temple of Dramida style. So earliest is extreme word, superlative degree. So fourth for wrong, cut. So 1 and 2 is correct, third is also correct. So D will be the answer. The freestanding temples are supposed to have originated in the Gupta period. Ladakhan, which is one of the earliest temples, belong to Chalukya Badami. In Khajuraho temples, all the compartments of the temples are connected internally and externally. Kailashnath temple at Kanchi was built by Pallavas. It is a beautiful temple of Dramida style of temples architecture built by Narasimha Varman II Rajsimha and later completed by his son Mahendra Varman II. Therefore, it cannot be considered earliest freestanding temple of Dramida. Kailashnath temple at Kanchi built by Pallavas. Okay. Pinnacle of which of the following is built in the Dramid style? Delhi Temple of Gwalior. Delhi Temple of Gwalior presents a perfect fusion of the Nagara and Dravidian architectural styles of India. The Shikhar pinnacle of the temple is Dravidian in style, whereas the ornamentation is done in the Nagara style. Which of the following temple is an example of Vesara style of architecture? Which one? Which has Dravid and Vesara? Okay, Nagara and Dravida mixture. Vesara. It is asked in EYQ. So it said that example of Vesara. So Vaisala temple is Vesara style. The Vaisaleswar temple, Lord of Vaisalas at Halbedu in Karnataka. Okay. Built in dark schist stone by Hosala king. Hosala temple are sometimes called hybrid or Vesara as their unique style. Temple are sometimes called hybrid. Okay. Seems neither completely Dravidian nor Nagara. Okay. It has mixture type. The Vesara. But somewhere in between. They are easily distinguishable from other medieval temples by their highly original star-like ground planes and a profusion of decorative carvings. Which center consists of more than 100 Buddha caves? Kanheri. Okay. This is Kanheri. The Kanheri caves constitutes a group of rock-cut monuments that are located to the north of Borivali on the western outskirts of the Mumbai. The Kanheri caves demonstrate Buddhist influence on the art and culture of India built during the 1st century BC. Jain temples of Abu is made of marble. Okay. Jain temples of Abu is one of the most elegant Jain temples known world over for its extraordinary architecture and marvelous marble stone carving. This temple was built by Vimal Shah, who was the feudatory of the then Chalukya ruler of Gujarat, Bhimdev I. Palitana temple is located near Bhavnagar. The Palitana temple of Jainism is located on Satrunjay hill near the city of Palitana in Bhavnagar district, Gujarat. This temple is dedicated to the first Jain Tirthankar Adinath. The Elephanta caves are mainly sculptures for which of the following devotees? Shiv. Okay, there is Elephanta caves and there is a Athigumpa caves in Odisha. This is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, Harvela Hathigumpa related. The Elephanta caves are believed to have been built by Rashtrakuta dynasty. Remember this? Rashtrakuta dynasty built this Elephanta caves related with the Shiva. This island is located on the arm of the Arabian Sea and consists of two groups of caves. The first is a large group of 5 Hindu caves, and the second one includes a smaller group of 2 Buddhist caves. The Hindu caves contain rock-cut stone sculpture that represents the Shiva Hindu sect and are dedicated to Lord Shiva. The Trimurti of Elephanta, showing the 3 faces of Shiva, is akin to the Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh Shiva, which was the royal insignia of the Rashtrakutas. Okay. The ancient monuments of Elephanta are mostly Buddhist and Vaishnavites. No, Buddhist and Saivites. Okay, 1 and 3. Famous cave temples of Elephanta are ascribed to Rashtrakuta. Rashtrakuta built this Elephanta caves. To which period do the sites of Ellora and Elephanta belongs? Rashtrakuta. The sites of Ellora and Elephanta belongs to Rashtrakuta period. Ellora caves are related to Hindu, Jain, and Buddhist religion. Elephanta caves were constructed by Rashtrakuta rulers. Famous Trimurti Shiva statue is found from here. Which are the following caves is famous for Trimurti? It is Elephanta. Okay. There are only two known examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is paintings of Ajanta caves. Where is the one other surviving examples of Gupta painting? Which one? It is Bagh caves. Okay. Another excellent examples of cave painting during the Gupta period is Bagh cave. These cave paintings reflect normal public life, while Ajanta caves paintings belong to Buddhist religion. Lomas Rishi caves are related to Mauryan period, which is located in Barabar Hills, Jahanabad district of Bihar. Remember, Lomas Rishi in Bihar, Jahanabad district. Nasik caves belong to Satvana period. Okay. The rock cut caves in western India are located in Nasik, Ellora, and Ajanta. The ancient rock-cut caves in western India are located at Nasik, Ellora, and Ajanta. A total of 34 caves in Ellora are famous and related to Buddhist, Hindu, and Jains. Nasik caves are also known as Pandavleni caves or Ponduleni, representing Buddhist devotional practices. Which are the following places famous for Buddhist caves? It is Ajanta. Okay, 30 Buddhist caves. Ajanta is famous for Buddhist caves. Temple, while Elephanta is famous for just Shiva temples. Khajuraho is, remember this, Elephanta is Shiva temple, Trimurti and Elephanta. Khajuraho is known for the Shiva, Vaishnava and Jain, all three found in Khajuraho. Nalanda is famous for Buddhist. Here know the Ajanta have the only Buddhist case, but Ellora have Buddhist and Jain case both. Okay, Ajanta and Ellora both are situated in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Ellora caves were built by Lord Rashtrakuta. Rashtrakuta ruler built these Ellora caves. Okay. With reference to the history of Indian rock cut architecture, consider the following. The caves of Badami are the oldest surviving rock cut caves. Here, stream word. Okay, be careful. Barabar rock cut caves are originally made by Ajivika by Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. No, not originally made for Ajivika. It is originally made for Buddhist, but it is given for them. I don't think it's correct. And Ellora caves were made for different faiths. Okay, Buddhist are there, Jain, and other religion, Hindu religion. So which one is correct? Option, let's see. So only C3 is correct. Okay, this IS 3 2013 is asked. Okay, how we got stream word remove this oldest cave? How is it possible? There are many caves are nobody have seen this in forest. Many caves are there. Okay, and originally made. Originally, if saying na, so there should be doubt because no one has seen that at that time. Okay, it is said that it was made for Buddhist by Asoka, but later it was given to the Ajivka who believed in the destiny. Okay, and his father, no, his son Bimbisara believed in Ajivka. Okay, and Dasarath, his grandson, believed in Buddhist. The caves at Badami are not the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India, but Bhimbetka rock shelters are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India. Asoka in his time period donated a cave to the Ajivka in the Barabar Hills. Barabar Hills consist of the 4 caves named Karan, Chopper, Lomas Rishi, Sudama, and Vaishnava Jabware. Ellora caves were made for different faiths. In these caves, 12 belongs to Buddhist. Okay. 70 belongs to Hindu, 5 belongs to Jain. Okay. One minute. Here given originally made for Ajivka by Emperor Super rock caves. Okay, originally it's saying that's why it's wrong. Ellora caves temples are related to all three: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism. Ellora caves, locally known as Veru Leni, are located 25 kilometers away from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar in Maharashtra. Okay. Ellora in Maharashtra. In total, there are 4 caves. Among them, 1 to 12 belongs to Buddhist. Caves 13 to 29 are devoted to Hindus, and cave 13 to 34 belongs to Jain. Okay, 13 to 34 belongs to Jain, and 1 to 12 belongs to Buddhist, and 13 to 29 belongs to Hindus. Okay. So mostly Buddhist caves, Hindus caves were more here. Jains are less. The caves and rock cut temples at Ellora represents only all three Hindu, Buddhist, Jain. Are hidden in EPPZ and IS also. Buddhist, Hindu, Jain rock cut caves coexist in Ellora. Which of the following temples is an example of rock cut architecture? Which one? So temple, it's not one. Kailash temple, it's only Krishna made this of Rashtrakuta dynasty. Krishna first built this Kailash temple. Kailash temple of the Ellora is an example of rock cut architecture. It is a monolithic. Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna first reached it. Just is important, very important. Who built this Kailash temple of Ellora? Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna first built this temple in Dramida style. Okay. Shiva is inside this temple. Among the caves temples, where is the famous Kailash temple located? Simply in Ellora. Which of the following temples is considered as a wonder of rock cut architecture? It is Kailash temple of Ellora. Kailash cave system of Ellora. Kailash is in cave system of Ellora. Is a remarkable example of Dravidian architecture on account of its striking proportion, elaborate workmanship, architectural content, and sculptural ornamentation of rock cut architecture. The temple was built by Krishna first of Rashtrakuta dynasty. It is a design to recall Mount Kailasa, the home of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is inside it. Which dynasty constructed the Ellora Kailash temple? It is Rashtrakuta. Kailash temple of Ellora was built by Rashtrakuta. Okay. Now, which among the following Rashtrakuta ruler built the Kailash temple of Ellora? Krishna first. By closing eye, you can mark this easily. Which dynasty of rulers is associated with the construction of famous the Kailash temple of Ellora? Rashtrakuta. Okay. Which Rashtrakuta ruler built the famous Shiva temple of Ellora? Krishna first. Kailash temples of Ellora were constituted by Krishna first. Which religion had Rashtrakuta protection? It is Jain. Rashtrakuta protected Jain. Rashtrakuta kings patronized followers of the Shiva, Vaishnava, and Sakta faiths, but they were inclined towards Jainism since many of the scholars who flourished in their court and wrote in Sanskrit, Kannada, and few in Apabhramsa and Prakrit were Jains. King Amoghavars first was the disciple of Jain Acharya Jeen Singh, the author of Adi Puran. Okay. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora are located in Aurangabad. Remember this place in Maharashtra. Okay, Aurangabad district. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora are located in the Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, formerly Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. The Kailash temple of Ellora is the finest example of rock cut art which was built by Rashtrakuta. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora are in Maharashtra. In which one of the following places are the caves temples built by the Rashtrakuta in the Ellora mountains located? Aurangabad. Match list first and second Gupta temples and location. So Brick temple, Shiv temple. So first know this here. Dasavatar temple in Devgarh. So beach to where? So here cut, it is cut now here. Bhitargaon and Bumrah and Iran. Okay. So here brick temple will be in the Bhitargaon. And Shiv temple is in Bumrah. Vishnu is in Iran. Okay. So B will be the answer. Brick temple, brick built temple, Bhitargaon, Dasavatar temple, Devgarh, Shiv temple in Bumrah, and Vishnu temple in Iran. The temples of Devgarh near Jhansi and the sculptures in the temples at Gadwa near Allahabad are important remains of Devgarh in Devgarh. Which one? Gupta definitely. Okay, remember this. Gupta, it is famous for the Gupta art, which has two historic temple brick of the fire baked bricks. Okay, and located in Lalitpur, Devgarh near Jhansi, Lalitpur district. So B45 is B. Dasavatar temple, remember this important. Devgarh, Lalitpur near Jhansi. For BPSC, it's important. Okay, it has been BPSC 2022. Gupta period is earliest known Panchayatan temple in North India. Gadwa Fort is a temple complex in Sankargarh, Prayagraj belonging to Gupta period. Okay. The temple at Devgarh near Jhansi and the sculptures in the temple at Garhwa near Allahabad are important remains of Gupta period. Okay, important remains of Gupta art. B. With reference to the temples of Bhitargaon, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which of the following statements are correct? This temple was constructed during the 5th century. It is one of the oldest brick temple. Okay, Bhitargaon it's asking about, so it's correct both. Arrow, they asked this. Bhitargaon temple is terracotta brick building fronted with the terracotta panel. It was constructed during 5th century AD to 6th century AD. During Gupta period, it is one of the oldest brick temples of India. It is built on a square plane with double recessed corners and faces east. There is a tall pyramidal spire over the Garbhagriha. It is built in Nagara style of architecture. The art of Ajanta was mainly patronized by the Vakatakas. Okay. Ajanta caves are located in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, district of Maharashtra, in Aurangabad. An earlier group of these caves are built during the Satavahana period, and later major parts of the caves were made during the Vakataka period during the 3rd century AD. These stone carvings are seen as a work of masterpiece in India. In Ajanta caves, intricate carving were done out of the mountain rock. These are the caves, temples of Buddha, and have mystical figures of the Lord and others. Ajanta caves are linked with which one? Panchatantra story. Buddhism, na? It is only 30 caves as Buddhism related. Okay? D. Oh, see, it's Jatak story. Oh, no, not Panchatantra, it's Jatak story. Buddhism related. In the Jatak story, you will they have mentioned all the thing in Jatak story. Okay? Ajanta caves. 30 caves are there, so C will be the answer. Ajanta caves are most excellent surviving examples of Indian art, particularly the paintings, which are the masterpiece of Buddhist religion art with the figures of the Buddha, and here's a Buddha and Jatak story. Okay, the paintings of concentration are those Jatak story. We saw the previous list of Buddha as a king. Technically, the art of Ajanta is the finest surviving example of Indian art. The caves consist of the several arts such as the flowers, trees, and animals. The painting concentrate on the previous life of Buddha as a king. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct? Ajanta caves lie in the jaw of Baghora. Okay, this is Baghora. IS 2021. Ajanta caves is located in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district of Maharashtra province. This cave is situated in the valley of Baghora river. Okay? Baghora river, Ajanta caves. Sanchi stupas were built by Maurya Emperor Ashoka. It lies west of Betwa river in the Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh. Pandolena caves shrine are situated in Nasik, Maharashtra and lie in the valley of Godavari. Amaravati stupa is a ruined Buddhist stupa at the village of Amaravati, Palandu district, Andhra Pradesh. Remember this is very important. Amaravati stupa in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is a Buddhist stupa situated on the bank of Krishna river. Consider the following historical place. Ajanta. Which are the above places are known for the mural painting? Ajanta caves, definitely. Lepachi temple, there is no such painting. Sachi stupa Buddhist related. Yes. Okay. The evidence of mural paintings Ajanta and Lepachi temple is clearly visible, but it is not evident in Sachi stupa. The nucleus of Sachi stupa was a simple hemispherical brick structure built over the relics of the Buddha. It was crowned by the chhatra, a parasol-like structure symbolizing high rank, which was intended to honor and shelter the relics. Buddhist caves are not situated in which are the following places? Buddhist caves are not situated in which of the following places? Okay. Buddhist caves is talking about. Remember, this is the cave, not stupa. So Sanchi is the stupa, not a cave. So wrong. Ajanta 30 caves Buddhist will get. Bag Buddha caves are there. Balsar, there is no such thing. So no. Sanchi is stupa. Not he asking not na. So that's why Sanchi you will find caves, and here also you will not find caves. Here Ajanta we will get caves. Okay. So C and D. C and D. Okay. Buddhist caves are not situated in Sanchi and Balsar. The Bagh caves also feature Buddhist art. Ajanta caves contain beautiful paintings and sculptures depicting the life and teachings of Buddha. Consider the following statement relating to the folk paintings of India and choose the correct statement 1, 2, and 3. Which one is correct? The gem themes of Pattachitra paintings are inspired from Jagannath and Vaishnav cults. Okay. Manjusa paintings are executed on boxes of jute and paper. Pithora paintings are made by some tribal community of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So it's not, I think, given correct someone. The art of Pattachitra belongs to the state of Odisha and is closely connected to the Lord Jagannath and Vaishnav cult. Manjusa art is a folk arts of the Bhagalpur, Bihar, and is one of the oldest painting art of India. Manjusas are temple-shaped boxes comprising 8 pillars. These are made of bamboo, jute, and paper and are painted using only 3 colors: pink, green, and yellow. These boxes are used in Bisari Puja. Pithora painting is a ritualistic painting practiced by the tribes in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So, given but only 3 statements are there, so cannot be correct. So only 3 statements here, not 4. Only all 3 statements are correct. Okay, there is no not 4 statement. What is are common for the 2 historical places known as Ajanta and Mahabalipuram? Both were built at the same period. No, it's not correct. Ajanta in 1st century AD, something related with it. Mahabalipuram is too late. Okay? So first not correct. Both belong to same religious. No, Ajanta Buddha related. Mahabalipuram is different. Vaishnav Sai is there. So both are rock cut caves. Ajanta rock cut caves in Maharashtra, and this is also rock cut caves. So third is correct. So third is correct. Okay. IS 2016. Mahabalipuram is located in hillock town overlooking the Coromandel coast of Bay of Bengal in Shengali Pattur district of Tamil Nadu. It is also called Mahadapaj rock cut caves. It was established during 7th and 10th century of Pallava dynasty, whereas Ajanta caves in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district of Maharashtra, including 30 rock cut caves, were built in 2nd century BC to 7th century AD. Thus, neither was built in same period. So first round, both Ajanta and Mahabalipuram are rock cut monuments. So third is correct. Mahabalipuram monuments are related to Shiva or Vishnu, whereas Ajanta has a series of 29 Buddhist cave temples. Okay. Here we have to match it. Hampi. Hampi is in Karnataka. Okay. Vijayanagara period. Remember this. Nagarjuna Konda, as the name suggests here, Konda is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Sisupalgarh in Puducherry. Arika Meadow is no. Here Sisupalgarh is not correct. Sisupalgarh is in Odisha because Pala dynasty and others were there. Arika Meadow in Puducherry, as the name suggests, in South India. Arika Meadow. Hampi is in Karnataka. Nagarjuna Konda, Andhra Pradesh. Sisupalgarh, Odisha, and Arika Meadow in Puducherry. So, who built the Konark Sun Temple? Narasimhadev Varman. Remember this important Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century sun temple in Odisha. Okay, Odisha, India, built by King Narasimhadev Varman I of its. Remember this who? Narasimhadev Varman I of Eastern Ganga dynasty. Remember dynasty also. Eastern Ganga dynasty. It was conceived as a huge solar chariot with 12 pairs of exquisitely ornamental wheels dragged by 7 rearing horses. The monument was also called as Black Pagoda by European sailors. In contrast, the Jagannath temple in Puri was called the White Pagoda. Okay. Which among these is known as Black Pagoda? It is Konark Sun Temple. Okay, and Jagannath temple is White Pagoda. Where is Black Pagoda? It is in Konark Sun Temple. Which one of the following is a sun temple? It is Konark Temple. Okay. The Sun Temple at Modhera lies in which state? It is in Gujarat. Okay. Gujarat Modhera Temple. The Sun Temple of Modhera is in Gujarat. King Bhimdev I of Solanki dynasty built this temple. Which one of the following sun temples is located in Patan, Gujarat? Modhera. Lingaraj temple is located at Bhubaneswar. Lingaraj temple is one of the most popular temples of Odisha. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is also known as Lingaraj. Lingaraj temple is approximately 180 feet in height and enshrines a huge statue of Lord Shiva. This temple is built in Nagaraj architectural style and is one of the most excellent temple of this architectural form. Which among the following is the largest and tallest surviving temples in Odisha? Lingaraj temple. Remember, it is in Odisha. Lingaraj temple of Odisha is the largest and tallest temple among the given options. So, it's 180 feet height. Jagannath temple is located in Odisha. Puri, you know it? Like chariot were pulled by humans. Jagannath temple, Puri is located in Odisha state. The famous Lingaraj temple, Bhubaneswar and Konark Sun temple, Puri, also in Odisha. Built in Nagara style. These are in Nagara style. Okay. The temple of Bhubaneswar and Puri was built in Nagara style. The idol of Lord Jagannath, Subhadra and Balbhadra in Sanctum Sanctorum at Jagannath Puri temple are made up of wood. The idols of Lord Jagannath, Subhadra and Balabhadra in Sanctum Sanctorum are made of neem wood. Neem wood is chosen because the Bhavishya Puran declares it to be the most auspicious wood from which to make Lord Vishnu idols. The wood icon is repainted every year before the Rath Yatra. It is replaced with a newly carved image every 12 to 19 or 19 days approximately, or among precisely according to the lunisolar Hindu calendar when its month of Asad occurs twice in the same year. Angkor Wat Vishnu Temple is located in Cambodia. It is the largest temple of the world, declared as UNESCO Heritage Site. Angkor Wat is the temple complex in Southeast Asian nation of Kampuchea, now Cambodia, built by Khmer King Suryavarman II. Remember this Khmer King? Suryavarman II, Angkor Wat Temple, which is the world's largest temple. In the beginning of 12th century, in its capital, Yasodharapura, present in Angkor, in Cambodia country. Devoted to Lord Vishnu, in its largest group of Hindu temples built in the Khmer style of architecture. In which country the Angkor Wat temple complex located? Simple, Kampuchea, which is Cambodia. Okay. The initial design and construction of which massive temple took place during the reign of Suryavarman II. Simple, Angkor Wat temple, Suryavarman II, Khmer king. B. Where is Borobudur Stupa situated in Java? The famous stupa of Borobudur is located on Java Island of Indonesia. This is the World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. Gopuram, the temples of the Vinaya style, stand for it is ornamental and multi-story structures on gateway. It's a very high gateway. It is higher than the main Sanctorum temple. You can see in the South Indian also. It is popular in Dravidian style. Gopuram is a monumental tower usually ornate at the entrance of any temple, especially in the southern India. This forms a prominent feature of Hindu temples of the Dravidian style. The Gopuram's origin can be traced back to early structures of the Tamil kings Pallavas and by 12th century under the Pandya rulers. These gateways became a prominent features of the temple's outer appearance, eventually overshadowing the inner sanctuary, which became hidden from the view by the Gopuram's enormous size. Rock-cut temples of Mahabalipuram were built by Pallavas. Okay. Mamallapuram is well known for its architectural beauty and is recognized as a World Heritage Monument by UNESCO. So temple Ratha chariots carved out of single rock, Arjuna Pinans and other caves temples are some of the famous wonders. Mamallapuram was a place of pilgrimage even before the Pallava period, and Pallava kings Narasimha Varman built these beautiful temples, including the present Soul temples. Mamallapuram was a famous center of Pallava art and architecture. The Rath temples at Mahabalipuram were built by Pallavas. Okay. Pallava built this Mahabalipuram temple. It's an UNESCO heritage site. The Seven Rath Temple of Mahabalipuram was built by Narasimhavarman. Okay. Narasimhavarman first was 630 AD around, was one of the most famous Pallava king and Mamalla style was developed during his tenure. Narasimha was a good wrestler. The city of Mamallapuram was named after him. Seven Rath temple was built by Narasimhavarman first, which is adorned with seven rocker pagoda. Who constructed the Rath temples at Mahabalipuram? Narasimhavarman first. Who among the Mahabalipuram temple was built by Narasimhavarman first. Who among the following was responsible for creation of Rath monuments at Mamallapuram? The Pallavas. Which of the following Rath temples is the smallest one? It's Draupadi Rath. Draupadi Rath is the smallest Rath in monolithic temples are Rath constructed in Mamalla style in Pallava period. There is no ornamentation found. It is pinned over lions and elephant like sculptures. In which style is the Kailasnathar temple of Kanchi built? It is Rajsimha style. Kailasnathar temple of Kanchipuram is located in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu and was built by Pallava king Narasimhavarman II. The temple is constructed in the Rajsimha structural style characterized by intricate carvings, large gopurams, temple towers and stone sculptures with fine detailing and artistic beauty. The main deity of the temple is Lord Shiva. Keep this in mind. Okay. Arrange the following temples in chronological order and select the correct answer from the course given below. So we have to made in chronological order. So first one is Sapt Pagoda. First, then third, Sour temples of Mahabalipuram it will be built. Then Gangai Kondan. Then here Birdeswara temple Raja first built this. Then Gangai Kondan Cholapuram. Okay. Third, Rajendra first made this. Okay. So fourth will be the answer. Sapt Pagoda Mammal style 640 to 674. Sour temple of Mahabalipuram Rajsimha style of 674 800. Birdeswara temple during Raja first. Remember this Raja first Birdeswara temple built. And Gangai Konda Cholapuram. Okay, during Rajendra first. Okay. Gangai Konda Cholapuram. He was the son of Raja first. That's why it came later. Okay. 1 and 2. If you use your common sense like Gangai Konda Cholapuram, like Rajendra first and Birdeswara temple Raja first. So first will come, then second will come. So first and then second. Here can't be there first, then second. You can't do 50-50. You can do like this. Solve. EPPC 2018. Match list first, second. Place and monument. Elephanta Caves. Okay, Elephanta is a cave. Khajuraho temple. Okay. Sanchi jo stupa. Shravan Belgola is a statue. So A is third. So it's removed. Sanchi stupa D is first. Okay. And Khajuraho is a temple. C is second. Okay. So B will be the answer. Elephanta is a cave. Shravan Belgola statue. Khajuraho is a temple. Sanchi is stupa. Match list first will list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below list. List first and second. Historical site and states. Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. A is second. So it's cut. Sour temple is in Tamil Nadu. Mahabalipuram temple Raja first. So Mamallapuram. So B is third. Here is. So it's cut. So remain only this one. Okay. Remember this. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Sour temple Tamil Nadu, Hampi in Karnataka, Vijayanagara, Manas is Assam. Ellora caves, Rashtrakuta, which correctly merged, we have to find it. Khajuraho temple Chandela is only correct. Okay. Mahabalipuram Palwaj, Rashtrakuta, Ellora caves are located near Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra. These are famous for rock cut cave temples. Total 34 caves are found in Ellora. Okay. These caves were constructed in various periods but not associated with Sakaj. Meenakshi temple was constructed by Pandyas and Mahabalipuram temple was built by Pallavas. Khajuraho temple was built by Chandiraj. Which one is correct? Sarnath, you know it. First sermon of Buddha. So B is third. Where is given? B is third. Yes, only one option. So all are correct. Okay. And A is Shiv temple, Baidyanath Dham. Dilwara is Jain temple. Badrinath is Vishnu temple. Sarnath Varanasi is the place where Lord Buddha gave his first sermon, Dharmachakra Pravartanam, to his five disciples. Okay. Dilwara temple of Rajasthan is famous for one of the most elegant Jain temples known worldwide for its extraordinary architecture and marvelous marble stone carvings. Shankaracharya established Badrinath with the statue of God Vishnu. Baidyanath Dham is temple of God Shiva. Okay. Consider following pairs. Side and famous for. So how many pairs are correctly matched? You have to tell. Vaishnaga Saivites, Bhaja Buddhist, Satyanavasal. So only two is correct. Bhagavat religion is available from Vaishnagar, Madhya Pradesh. So we are talking about Bhagavad religion. The Garun pillar was established here by Greek ambassador Heliodorus. So it's wrongly matched. It's a Bhagavad period. It means Vishnu, not Shiv. So only two is correct. Bhaja caves are one of the best examples of Buddhist architecture in India. It is located in Bhaje, a village in Pune, Maharashtra. The Siddhanavasal cave temples was built by the Pallava king Varman first for Jainism. Sun temple in Konark, A second, so it's cut. Lingaraj temple, it is where? Bhubaneswar in Odisha, Shiv related with Shiv. Then Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur, famous in Rajasthan. Statue of Gomteshwar Konark, okay. Son of first Jain Tirthankar Rishabdev, okay. Gautam. Sun temple is in Konark in Odisha. Lingaraj temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Harihar, Farma Shiva, and is one of the oldest temple in Bhubaneswar. Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur, and the huge statue of Gomteshwar is in Shravanbelagola, Karnataka. Remember. Which of the following are famous for Sun temple? Which one? It Arsavalli, and this is not one. Arsavalli temple is one of the prominent sun temple of 7th century in Arsavalli village of the Andhra Pradesh. It is believed that the temple was built by King Devendra Varma, ruler of the eastern Ganga Kalinga dynasty. Omkareshwar temple is situated in the Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. It is on an island called Mandata or Shivpuri situated on the Narmada river. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Shiva, Narmada, Son and Jojila river emerged from Amarkantak. Sri Jwaleswar or Jaleswara Mahadev temple is located kilometer away from Amarkantak on Sadol road. It is dedicated to Shiva. So match it. Nalanda is a university everybody knows. Where Modi ji, our Prime Minister, now read this. Age 2. Okay, remove this. Sanchi is Stupa, siege 4. Where is given siege 4? Okay, both places given. Konark. Konark is a sun temple. D is 3. Only B here is given B. Right, Nalanda is a university. Narnath Pillar Stupa, Sanchi Stupa, Konark Sun Temple. Medium which of the following was the ancient town of Taxila located? It is in Indus and Jhelum. Taxila was established during 6th or 7th century BC. It was a town and an important archaeological site in present day Rawalpindi district of Punjab, Pakistan. It is situated between the river Jhelum and Indus. Songiri, the highest among 103 giant temples, lies in the proximity of Datia. Songiri is located 15 km away from Datia MP. Songiri is sacred place popular among Digambar Jain devotees and ascetic saints to practice for self-discipline, austerity, and to attain nirvana. There are 103 beautiful Jain temples with sky-high spires. Temple number 57 is main among them, which is related to Lord Chandra Prabhu. Okay. The historical Digambar Jain temples of Songiri is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Dilwara Jain Temple is situated at Mount Abu. The Dilwara Jain Temple are located at Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Dilwara Jain Temple is in Aravalli Mountain in Mount Abu. Where is the Dilwara Jain Temple located? It is in Rajasthan. Where is famous Virupaksha Temple located? Hampi, Karnataka. The Virupaksha Temple is located at Hampi in the state of Karnataka. This temple is devoted to Lord Shiva, who is known as Virupaksha. The Nagara, Dravida and Vesara temples. Okay. I is 2 times ask this. The Nagara, Dravida and Vesara are three main styles of the temple architecture. In this, the Dravida style of temple construction was developed in South India, while Nagara style of temple construction was developed in North India. Vesara style is a mixture of Nagara and Dravidian styles. Okay. With reference to the cultural history of India, the term Panchayatan refers to style of temple construction. A temple that has central shrines surrounded by four subsidiary shrines is called Panchayatan. Okay. Like there is a main god here, okay, and there is four small god here, here main god like Lord Shiva, you can say. Here other small god surrounded, okay, like other Vishnu, Brahma, other say you can say. So a temple that is central shrine surrounded by four, okay, or subsidiary shrine is called Panchayatan style. This is called, the origin of the name is the Sanskrit word is Panch, five, and Ayatana containing. The example of Panchayatan temple are Kandarya Mahadev temple, Khajuraho. Brahmeswar temple, Lingaraj temple is Bhubaneswar. Dasavatar temple is Devgarh, UP. Okay. Naimisaranya, famous pilgrimage, is located in which of the following district? In Sitapur. Naimisaranya is located in Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh. It is believed that sage the Deshi gladly save up his bones to Devaj here. Okay. And Sita was in UP. The bones of sage the Deshi were used to make the weapon Vajra. This weapon was then used by Lord Indra to defeat the Asuras to reclaim his position as the king of Devloka. With reference to the Indian history of art and culture, consider the following famous work of sculpture and site. A grand image of Buddha's Mahaparinirvan with numerous celestial musicians above and sorrowful figures of his followers below. Where in Ajanta? What you asked? Oh, correct, we have to tell. A huge image of Varaha avatar, incarnation of Vishnu as a risk god, takes earth from deep and chaotic water sculpture on rock. Arjuna finance descent of Ganga sculptures on the surface of huge borders. So it's not correct. This is not correct. Okay. Like Avatar, Vishnu, the is gods are from the steep and chaotic water sculpture, not Mount Abu. But in Mamalapuram, Arjuna Pinance is there. Mamalapuram, 1 and 3rd. I is 2014. Among the given 1/3 correct, in the given number 26, cave number 26 of Ajanta, grand statue of Mahatma Buddha is engraved. This statue is related to the Mahaparinirvana of Buddha. The huge statue of Varaha Avatar of Lord Vishnu is described in Udayagiri caves of Madhya Pradesh. Remember this, Varaha Avatar in Udayagiri caves of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Arjuna Pinance is sculpted on the surface of huge boulders in Mamallapuram. It is in Mamallapuram. Also known as Mahabalipuram. Okay. Raja first in Sengapattu district of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Chitrakoot temple is located in which state of India? It is in both state. Yeah. But mainly in Uttar Pradesh. Chitrakoot is famous Hindu pilgrimage site that falls in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh both. Just see. Okay. Well, Lord Rama went for the 14-year Vanvas. Okay. Although Chitrakoot district is a part of Uttar Pradesh, Chitrakoot, it is a part of Uttar Pradesh. Chitrakoot has many famous temples with Kamatgiri as main holy place where Lord Kamathanath resides. Kamatgiri has some parts in Uttar Pradesh and some in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. With reference to the art and archaeological history of India, which one of the following was made earliest? Which one? Rock cut elephanta at Dhauli, okay, in Maharashtra, or Siva. Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar was built between 10th and 11th century. It is talking about earliest. Remember this. So it's not one first. And rock cut at Mahabalipuram were built during 7th to 8th century AD. Udayagiri Varha image of 5th century AD. Rock cut elephant at Dhauli was created during the reign of Asoka. Remember it. 3rd century. Okay? Dhauli, Odisha. Oh, rock cut elephant it's asking. Odisha. Okay? This is the oldest among the four. Okay?